guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys and telling you guys about my bluish greenish teal slime that is right here. Here's a close-up of the back and I'll show you what's inside. Okay guys, okay, so this is the inside. This is a close-up of it. It's so nice. It's so stretchy. It's really fluffy and it's clear, which is a really good thing. And I made this actually with white glue. And if you guys didn't see when I did this, I can see you through. So this is actually cool slime, and the thing is, this is a no activator slime. All I used was glue, food coloring, and shaving cream, and voila. The shaving cream was really coated, and that's how the slime didn't need any activator at all. And I just love this slime, and if I take it out, sorry, my cameraman's not here today, and if I take it out and I poke it, you hear so nice noises. The poking sound is so nice, and I just love this slime, and I really suggest this. And I will be doing a giveaway. Check out my giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little slime video of my teal blue green slime, and it may look blue on your camera, but when you look at it here, it's like a teal greenish blue. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.